All right, we have all of our metal on. Oh, excuse me, Paul. Yeah, buddy. He said, don't touch Andrew. Touch him. Man, that turned out absolutely beautiful. Sir, she's a beautiful thing. Our next step, we're going to install rubber on this thing. We've got overhang on it. Got all our fascia metal on it. That looks so beautiful. Look at that. That's a nice place, man. No. All right, that wasn't easy, but we do have all our rubber up here. Blades, there they are. Got our rubber up here. We got it laid out. Next thing we do is where it laps over, we just run a line down through there on both sides so that we know where it laps, right? You know where it laps at, and then you know where it ends at, because you want to stop your glue there, and then you want to stop your glue just about a ½ an inch past that line. So you're covering that line up. I'll show you that step there in a minute. You might have to watch another video to get that, because I'm making GoPro videos also. So this is an iPhone video. I'll work on the GoPro videos later. But it's laid up here. Everything's on. Time to start gluing. It's already recording. All you got to do is...
Wait, you see nothing.
Well, I can't see both of you.
You don't have to see both of us. It's one of us. You care who it is? You don't gotta get me. Just get here.
What are you doing, Andrew?
This is called single-sided bonding adhesive.
Where's the best place to buy it?
You're gonna buy this at ABC Supply. You can buy it at Best Distributing, and it might be something named different than that where you're at. But if you look up ABC Supply, you'll find it.
What about the cost, Andrew?
$500 a bucket.
Is that good or bad in your opinion?
That's pretty bad. Last year, the last bucket I bought of this stuff cost me 280 bucks. And then I went back to buy some on this job a year later, and it was $480. That's kind of crazy. That's a big rise.
Is it worth it?
Absolutely worth it. It's the best stuff you can use. You don't want to use anything else. If you use that other type of glue, which is petroleum based, you're going to put that on both sides. You're going to have to put it on the back side of the rubber and this, and then you have to wait until you can touch it and it won't be tacky to your finger. You can just touch it and take your finger off. If it's tacky and stringy, it's not going to work. You have to wait until it's dry, so you got a lot of waiting time to start with, and that's a real pain in the butt. And once it sticks down, it's basically like bonding adhesive, and when it's down, you can't pull it back up. So if you make a mistake anywhere, you can't fix the mistake.
What happened when you put it down too fast?
Put it down too fast and don't let it dry to where it's not tacky, then it makes bubbles all over the place. It's gas bubbles, which eventually will go away, but you don't want that to start with, so you can do away with that. Just roll it out on one side. Thank you, boy.
You're welcome very much, sir.
Now we're going to fold it over. just like that. Just like that, guys. Now the next step would be the seam, but we have more rubber to do, so we're gonna start back there. Appreciate that, Porky.
Back to the seam. Andy, seems like you're switching sides.
Say again, buddy? Yeah, we have to. We have to. He's left-handed. That's why he's called left-handed Paul.
Left-handed Paul.
That's his nickname.
He don't say much, ladies and gentlemen.
Wouldn't matter if he did.
You can't understand me.
Yeah, you can't understand him no way.
Couldn't understand a word he said. He's a hillbilly.
Mountain grown.
Mountain grown hillbilly.
Could you explain to him why you don't do that much again, Andrew?
We do 3 roller widths because when we bend down there to pull it back to us, we put our knee right at the edge of it, reach out as far as we can to pull that rubber back. So, I mean, it'd be great if we could do the whole thing and just roll it out, but then you can't walk in this stuff because I'm telling you what, it'd be like being on ice and you'll roll all the way up the roof.
One thing you said, skis.
What's his name? Alexander. We had a guy working for us. Houston, Alexander. Houston was working with us one day, and I told him don't step in this stuff. He stepped right in it, but he was on his behind quick. Just like he was on ice.
Apple.
Cut that off.
There, you cut it off.
Thanks, buddy.
That was nice.
That's beautiful.
Thanks.
This will be white when we're finished with it. Completely white.